Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn how to divide a mixed number by a whole number. To do this question, you will write one whole number 3/4 as an improper fraction, and to do that you will do 4 times 1, which is 4. Then 4 plus this 3 on top, you have 7. So you write 7/4. Okay, you write your division again. Write this 10 as a fraction. 10 is the same as 10/1. Then you keep the fraction at the left the same. That means that you write 7/4 again. Then you turn this division to multiplication, and then you flip 10/1. When you flip 10/1, 1 will go up and become the numerator. Then 10 will come down and become the denominator. Then you multiply the numerators we have here. So you do 7 times 1, which is 7, over, multiply the denominators, you do 4 times 10, that gives you 40. So the answer becomes 7/40. Now let's look at the second one. Now as usual, you will write this mixed number as an improper fraction. So you do 3 times 7, which is 21. Then 21 plus this 1 on top, you have 22, over the denominator, which is 3. Then you write your division. Then this 8, you will write it as a fraction. 8 is the same as 8/1. Okay, now you write 22/3 again. Okay, and then you turn this division to multiplication, and you flip 8/1. When you flip 8/1, 1 will go up and become the numerator, 8 will come down and become the denominator. Now apart from 1, there is no number that can divide both 22 and 3. Apart from 1, there is no number that can divide both 1 and 8. Check the diagonal. Apart from 1, there is no number that can divide both 3 and 1. Check the second diagonal. Apart from 1, there is a number that can divide both 22 and 8. And that number is what? 2. So you use 2 to divide. 22 divided by 2 is 11. 8 divided by 2 is 4. Now multiply the numerators that are left. So you do 11 times 1, which is 11, over, you multiply the denominators that are left. So you do 3 times 4, that gives you 12. So the answer becomes 11/12. Here we've come to the end of this video. If you love my video, do well to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Have a great day.